Okay, today's the day we're gonna go ahead and get the bed pulled off of this 87 GMC and get it blocked up on some blocks that I went and bought in the previous video. I've got my dad here with me. He's on his Kubota tractor. First I gotta get all these bolts out of this bed that I sprayed with WD-40 a few days ago, so hopefully it won't be too big of a deal to get it off, or unbolt it anyway. Getting it off is going to be a little more of a challenge, but we'll see how this goes. All right, we've got the bed unbolted, and Dad's got his tractor here. The plan is to use chains up to the front of the bed and just tilt the bucket on the tractor and hopefully just drive the truck out from under the bed, and then Dad's gonna just drive the tractor straight forward, and we're gonna set this bed on blocks. Now we've got a 2x4 between the bucket and the bed to help protect it, so this is liable to be pretty interesting. I've never lifted a bed this way, but Dad said he has, so we'll see how it works. Okay, so plans have changed just a tiny tad bit. Okay, the tractor was a complete fail. So I have a new plan though. I went ahead and took off the back bumper because that was kind of causing some issues, hitting the edge of the bed. So this truck sits up so dang tall that the tractor just didn't have the lift, and this was hitting the bumper. So I've got a new plan though, and I think it's gonna work. Okay, the camera died, but we were able to successfully get the bed off of the truck. And it is right over here. It was quite the chore. Yeah, but it is done. So now I can go ahead and get this truck backed in over here and start blocking up the front to get the front axle out, and then I'm gonna get the rear axle out, and should be a good time. I've got myself in a little bit of a predicament, not having power steering, mainly the reason, but this truck has way more flex than I ever imagined. Pretty impressive for an old truck. Look at that. It's like a rock crawler. Kinda. Not really, but alright. Guess I'll finish backing her in now.